what? I don't like this argument, right? Love and affection. That is what I want. That is what I wanted from the start, Eve. Come, let me just cuddle and be there.